I'm here on a Class Creator website, and now I want to go out and join the Facebook Class Connection application. But before I do, note that I have deliberately left the then photo and the yearbook photo blank, and I'll show you why I've done that in just a moment. Now there's 4 different ways to get to the Class Connection Facebook application, and I'll show you the easiest one right now, but then I'll show you the other 3 later. Let's open up a new tab and simply type in apps.facebook.com/classconnection. And that's going to take us right to the app join screen. Now as we go, let's just make a note of the different ways we get to the app. Alright, that's way number 1. Now, once we're on the join screen, simply type in the name of your school and select the appropriate school from the drop-down list, and then select your class year, and then click on Join Class. A permissions box will come up. You should click OK for this. If you don't, you can accept the permission later when you're actually using the app. And a second permission box will come up. Select OK for this one too. And now the system will try to name match you to see if you already exist in this particular class and year. If you do, you'll see corresponding names come up with the most likely match at the top. So in this case, I'm going to click on my own name to verify that I'm me. And then the system asks me to verify that I'm me by either sending myself an email, and I have to click a link inside of my own email to verify I'm me, or I can simply type in my site password, the same password I use to log into the Class Creator site. So here I'll put in my password, click Submit, and I'm verified. My account is now synced up. I'll click on Get Started. Now if you're the administrator, you're going to see some next step messages designed for the class administrator. If you're already on Class Creator, you've likely done most of these steps already. This is more or less designed for the newer class administrators coming onto the system. So as you're done with each one of these things, you can click on Done with This and dismiss them. Until you're done, you'll always see the next steps link here. And once you've dismissed everything, that link will go away. Alright, now another way to get to the app, if you're in your normal Facebook and you're not logged into the app, you can type in Class Connection in this white box on the top, and this is known as the Facebook Graph Search. And simply click on the app, and then go to App. That will take you right back to the same place. So if we type in Class Connection in Facebook Graph Search, that's way number 2. And now let's go back to my main Facebook page one more time. If you look under Apps, your recent apps will be listed here. And here's Class Connection. And you can click on that at any time. And then the fourth way is as you're moving about the app, if you've got your Notify Me set to send notices to your Facebook Globe instead of email, this is the default on Class Creator, of course, but if you've set it to go to your Facebook Globe instead of email, when you're just bouncing around Facebook itself, you'll get notified of various things happening on your class right here on your Facebook Globe. And if I click on any one of these notices from Class Connection, I'll bounce right back to the app. So it's a quick way of kind of having the app become part of your Facebook. Alright, so there's the 4 different ways of quickly getting to the app at any time. Now a couple more things for this introductory video. I'm going to click on Edit Profile. And remember, I left these two blank on purpose from my Class Creator site. So of course they're also blank on the Facebook app. Now if I go over my then photo and do select photo, I can put in any photo I've ever uploaded to Facebook here. All of my Facebook galleries are listed right here, and I can select any one of them. Any photos that I've uploaded myself will be here in my gallery. And in this case, I select a bowling photo from 1986. And then using the crop tool, you can do a pretty quick crop on this until it's the way you want it. All right, looks good, and press save. And then finally, we'll also select a yearbook photo. And then same thing, we'll just slide the crop tool until the image looks good and centered, and press save. And now I've filled in these photo slots from the Facebook application. Now if I go back to the Class Creator site and I press reload, you'll see the two photo slots have filled in using the photos I added via the app. So these tools are one and the same. My profile here on the app is exactly the same as my profile here on the class website. It's just a different place to participate with the same classmates using the exact same data. So it really makes no difference if you do it from here, from your class website, or you do it from here on the app. Okay? And we'll leave it at that for now. That's the quickest way to get into Class Connection and get into your profile and see how things are synced up between the two. And here's the list I'll leave you off with one more time, the 4 different ways you can quickly get to the Class Connection Facebook application.